Yo, what's up? Mick loving that dank. How you guys doing? Just wanted to bring you guys for a quick little unboxing. I've been waiting for this baby for a second, so I'm just gonna jump right into it. Actually, I haven't been waiting for it long at all. It was supposed to be here between the 5th and the 7th of next week. Oh boy. Yes. Super fast delivery service, man. You guys already know what's up. Got a speed control fan. Damn it. I don't know who the hell puts a box inside a box, but that's some fucked up shit. Holy shit. Get that 6-inch. Holy crap. Smells brand new. Comes with a floor mount, which I will not be using, and or just no thank you. Alright, moving on. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful Friday. I know I am. It's Christmas right now. Ooh. Very beautiful. Some loose charcoal got all over my bed. Alright, you stingy effers. Well, okay then. The only issue I have with this is there's supposed to be a filter that actually goes around it to help catch any just the dirt and stuff that it did not come with, that was supposed to come with it. So, other than that, I'll give it about a 7 out of 10 because that pisses me off. What's the H? Alrighty. Check it out. The flower room's going to take off. Got a speed control. Got that 6-inch. Big boy. I actually didn't even think it was going to be this big. I probably could have went with a 4-inch, but hey. Boom. Just got to go about getting that filter. Oh, wait. Ta-da! There it is. Everything is here. I give it straight 10 out of 10. Super excited. If you guys haven't already, go check out Ventech. They have some nice deals on some very nice equipment. But thank you guys so much. Again, I'm McLovin. Peace.